What's the meaning of asynchronously? Asynchronously. Asynchronously.
Asynchronously. Asynchronously. Asynchronously refers to a method of executing tasks where different parts of a system or application can operate independently and not be blocked by each other. In this approach, tasks are initiated but run in the background without waiting for one another to complete. Asynchronous programming is commonly used in web development to avoid slowing down web pages during long-running operations like file uploads or network communication.